Energy One America is America's most skilled and trusted installer of commercial spray foam insulation and air barrier coatings. In recognition of their expertise, Energy One America has been chosen to upgrade several national monuments and museums around Washington, D.C., including the Smithsonian's Hirshhorn Museum, the National Museum of Women in the Arts, and the upcoming Lincoln Memorial Project using Enverge spray foam products. Most recently, we were entrusted with upgrading a national treasure, the iconic National Museum of Women in the Arts in the heart of Washington, D.C. The museum is home to more than 6,000 works of art, including pieces dating back to the 16th century. In 1907, this historic building was constructed with terracotta brick and steel, but it lacked adequate insulation compared to modern buildings. The lack of insulation made it difficult to maintain consistent temperature and humidity levels to protect the artwork. To improve energy efficiency and create an optimal environment for the storage and display of art, spray foam insulation was the perfect solution. The museum chose to retrofit its walls and roof deck with Enverge NexSeal 2.0 closed-cell spray foam for its air sealing, moisture resistance, and thermal performance. This will reduce energy loss through the building envelope by more than 50%. Enverge NexSeal transformed the National Museum of Women in the Arts into a more energy-efficient building, as well as a safer space for the artwork and a more comfortable environment for visitors to enjoy for generations to come. Energy One America, America's most skilled and trusted installer. Follow us on social media and visit our website at energyoneamerica.com.